The refugee crisis has prompted an emergency parliamentary session this afternoon.
The violence on the streets has forced many people from their homes.
Have been found dead in the back of a truck, trying to make their way across the border.
The government is under fire from all sides for the way it's dealing with this crisis.
It was bad at home. We had to leave. Dad couldn't come. I don't know where he is now. Mum says we're going somewhere safe. She's trying to be brave. Someone told me these boats sink all the time. We couldn't stay in London. It was too dangerous.
Most of the European refugees are trying to make their way south. They believe that Africa provides a chance for a better life.
They put us in prison. I don't know what we've done wrong. I'm scared.
We have tough decisions to make.
We cannot treat these people like animals.
There are so many whites living around here now. It is my taxes that are going to support these people.
With no end in sight to the migrant issue, the government must be wishing that the problem would just go away. But that doesn't look likely. Back to you.